And I'm talking about a place called Branjam. Right? Now, this place is a Jamaican restaurant. It has amazing ambience. The service is crazy. And this weekend they are launching, and it's going to be the 13th of July. You better show yourself because I'm going to be there. I'm going to be the MC, and I want you to come with your Payless account. If you have your Payless on you or your phone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a small discount on anything you get. And I'm talking about Jamaican food. I'm talking about all their best mocktails and cocktails, their signature cocktails and mocktails. I'm going to be there as the MC, and I will tell you, if you have your Payless, I will give you a discount. Me personally, remember the place is on Gitanga Road, 1148 Gitanga, and it's called Branjam, and this place is amazing. It's beautiful. The people there, by the way, are actually great because they don't have you know the way you go to a restaurant, then they tell you, oh, this is I don't know which country's cuisine, but in the kitchen kuna some Kikuyu, some Kamba, some